You may call me Kenway. We call ourselves the Gatherers. We search the galaxy for ancient relics in the forgotten places, abandoned outposts, battle-ravaged planets. And what we find, we bring here. So where a stormtrooper might see worthless clutter, those who know see priceless history, and preserving our past may well ensure a future. How many of you have heard the legend of Luke Skywalker? All the way around and even the little ones. Fantastic. We have two. And now we hear there is another. A new Jedi. One who started off as a scrapper like us. Do any of you know her name? Ray. Yes, Ray. And if you didn't know, I would have been so sad. What Ray is leading right now is the spark of hope that we've been waiting for. A new awakening in the Force. That is why you are here. To look ahead. To build a lightsaber. The lightsaber has been wielded by some of our galaxy's greatest heroes and its darkest enemies. It is elegant and enigmatic. Building a lightsaber is a work of art. The saber is a reflection of its builder, the Force flowing between them. Today, you will feel that connection. But not if I keep talking. Let's begin. We start with the most important part of the lightsaber, the kyber crystal, able to focus the energy of the Force and magnify it. Some have called the kyber crystal the heart of the lightsaber. The color of the crystal reveals the color of the blade. You may recognize some of these from the great Jedi heroes of history. The blue crystal, wielded by the great master Obi-Wan Kenobi, his apprentice Anakin Skywalker, and now, Rey. Green, Qui-Gon Jinn, Ahsoka Tano, Master Yoda himself, and Luke Skywalker. The violet crystal, rare and beautiful, like the crystal wielded by Mace Windu. And red. It has been called the color of power, the crystal of Darth Maul, Asajj Ventress, Darth Vader, and now, Kylo Ren. But these are stories of the past, and we are here for you, the future. It's time for you to choose your kyber crystal, the heart of your lightsaber. Builders, close your eyes. In your mind's eye, I want you to picture crystals of all the colors we've talked about. One of these shines brightest. This is your crystal. Now open your eyes and take your kyber crystal. Excellent. Now take your kyber crystals and place them on green crystal holders there in front of you. Because now it's time to join your crystal to the lightsaber design that you've selected. It's time to build the hilt of your lightsaber. This is the foundation of the blade. It is your center of control. And it's the part that keeps your hands from being disintegrated. Very important. In the box in front of you, you'll find the parts you selected outside. These have come from across the stars to be here for you. And we will lead you through the process of building your own. But first, let's talk about what's in the box. If you look from the left, first you'll find your chassis. Then columns 1 and 2 are your grips. Column 3 is emitters, 4 are pommel caps, and 5 are two matched pairs of activation plates. Look up at the gatherer in front of you. They will lead you through this. And so, my friends, let's build.
You can see that it's not always full first. Can I check that for you? Have you tested that for me? The other stuff. Go. 4 options there. Okay. Make that first one. So slide it up and down. Go on the bottom. And just screw them into place. Alright, next one's over there.
So very good.
Okay, next step, ready for a minute. Color of your fiber crystal, and then next thing I will screw into place. And then that final component, whenever you're ready for it, will be in order for your bottle cup. When you're ready for the next, we'll grab your color in there.
Uh-oh.
Excellent, there it is.
It is a fan. It's worth telling you about it. Different? That's amazing. I've never seen that.
Get that all pieced up.
All right.
Are you happy? Good.
So happy.
That saber goes quite well with the outfit there, my friend.
You're welcome.
All right, it's like that, right?
It'll be like. Nice bright red flash. The bit I'll ask you after is slide that phone. Deactivate it down. We'll be able to cut some glass shields with that saber. Most impressive.
All right. And I also have a little demonstration.
I love the clip to this old style emitter. It goes back to the proto-saber designs. And you can still rig it up, you know, with a crystal in a different position. It's just really nice. These are found all throughout the galaxy, and they represent journey. So it's traveling into trouble, back out of trouble. You can find yourself on that map. Everyone take a moment. Yes, indeed. Nothing unexpected or traumatic has happened. This is the dangerous part. Leave your sabers at your stations and back up as far as you can, please. Right now, the gatherers are going to insert your hilts into the crystal stabilization chambers. We must stabilize the crystal inside the saber for activation. This is very dangerous. If something is misaligned, you can have a large expansion of energy in a very short amount of time, also known as an explosion. So, who minds the flash piece? Thank you. I'm going to send a test signal through the chamber system. What's happening?
With many parts you began. Yes. With the heart of the saber they are joined, much more they will become. It's time.
Yes, Master Yoda. It is indeed time to take that next step. Builders, we've reached the final part of the process. The bond between builder and saber is about to be forged. In a moment, I will ask each of you to come forward, to place your hand on the hilt of your lightsaber, and then on my signal, using your activation switch only, all together we will activate. Come forward. Put your hand on your lightsabers. Activate. Builders, raise your lightsabers. You have built a lightsaber. Like the Jedi and Sith who came before you. And like them, you too can change the galaxy. Remember, it only takes a spark. Please, deactivate your sabers.
Complete your lightsaber is. The true dramatic cannot, but fight your way. It can. May the Force be with you.
Thank you, Master Yoda. Builders, in your hands you hold remarkable power. Now our time together is at an end, but your journey is only beginning. It's time for you to make your mark on the galaxy. Remember, you are each as unique and extraordinary as the lightsaber you have created. And maybe next time we'll be telling you a story. Builders, raise your sabers. Activate. Build fire. Now, my friends, go forth. Receive your saber sheaths from Light.